Hello, welcome back to AI Coding Live. And today is that day that we are going to connect our AI with our application. Remember that we have been doing the user interface, making sure that it looks nice, good, and interesting, which we have managed so far, but now is the time to make it work. Because apart from that, there's no use. The user interface was there somewhere. So the main thing of all this journey is to make this app work. Our chatbot is going to be live shortly. So remember, you have to get your key, go to OpenAI, upgrade, get your key, and follow along. Good. So I have already got my key, and if you remember properly, this is our code that we are having so far. So we have our data. This is the data that is going to be sent. We have the model we specified, and the message, how should it look like. We have the message, username, and then we have the options on the API. This carry the key and all those necessary information. Actually, the data also is carried with this. So that has been done here. Remember, this was generated, so you should remember that. And now we say this time ChatGPT has given us the access, the same, how can I say, calling the API using file get contents. So it's interesting. So what I think you remember on the previous video, I used file get contents when I was getting something. But the main thing is it get whatever you say. It can be get by post, which has been done here. Get by get. Those are terms when you are doing the request to the server. Yeah, so far so good. And how do I test this most of the time if it doesn't have an error? I just run it without anything. So let's see how will it look like. So we have our chart. Remember last video we edited it. We made sure that it looked nice and good, which is doing now. So I will just press that. And then what I'll do here, I'll say it's OpenAI, right? And I can't see. Do I have it? Yeah. Can you believe I have to struggle here? OpenAI underscore call.php. If everything is good, it's going to return blank, which so far so good. It shows like we are in the right direction. But now let's see the response, because we haven't checked the response. If you remember, the OpenAI, the code that were generated had nothing. OpenAI call. Good. Is this another file? Yeah, this should be another file. Because yeah. So now here what we are going to do at this level here, I can see that you can see now. So I'll just press a lot of enters so that yeah. So here we are going to add to show the response, what the response is. So let's say echo response. I'm sure, let's see. No, don't talk response. So I'll run this again. and see what I get as output. There is no output. Then I should be suspecting this code of mine, because I should get something, even an error or something. Alright, let me say, message will be hello out there. But this is how you know, like, something somewhere is not working. And, I was already excited to get username John 435. So that's a full complete request. Woohoo! It's working. So when I made a full complete request, I got a message. Oh, they say some of the few things. Do I have the format? Let me see. Oh, I don't have. So the ID is that object chat compression created this model, that usage prompt token 12 choice message lol assistant content. Hi there, how may I assist you today? Finish. Okay. We are there, man. We are going there. Okay. Alright. I will do JSON decodes so that I see if I get the array. JSON decodes, and I should say true somewhere here, and I should dump this because by normally, if it's real array, let me change the message. I want to know how is Burundi to, I don't know. Okay, now I get a message. So I think we're good. So far. I can tell you that Burundi, blah blah blah. Now the interesting part, we want to get this on our user interface. Finger crossed, like shh. Man, you should cross your finger, man. Otherwise, no one is going out here. Good. Let's go. Good. So I think we are good to go. I will not touch this code. I'll just say echo, because remember we are going to JavaScript. So JavaScript will deal with it. But JavaScript need to know this. So there is so there is array. So it starts with array. There is array, and the array has ID. which comes with object ID, then object, then created. So there's ID, there's array, then another array. But this array, the other array is on the usage. Let me try to see, before I go to the other side, let me try to see if I can touch the message dialect. Alright, just thinking. So before I go here, let me go back 1 minute, back in time, and what I want to do now, I want to do array, and this array is going to catch, in this array I'm targeting usage, right? I'm targeting this, and in this, which is array, and in this array I'm targeting wait, array of arrays, really, why can't I push this? Let me look at it in plain JSON. You know what, don't stress. No, let's go. Usage, let's go, man. Let's go. Okay. Because this, why? Man, let's save the time, because the time is not, we don't have all the time in the world, so why should we waste it? Let me throw this to JS and we'll deal with it from the other end of the road, right? And by saying that, I have also to remember that this has to go, because we are using now this message, and this has to go because we are using this username. Alright? Yeah, you can feel it. So, this is good. If we go to our app now, which I will not cross that, I will just come here and paste there and get rid of the let me check on the code if there's anything that don't open two files at once. It's very confusing. So if everything goes well, we need to be something here on the response, and then we can see how to go about it. We'll see. We'll see, and I should remove this. Actually, this is where I go to the template, bootyday.com, but no longer in bootyday, so it should be Chatbot. With what? AI coding live.com. I love this. Good. So far so good. This is when you want to take off as a pilot. You will need to check almost everything, man. Good. Hello. Alright, we have our code. Hey. So on object we're going to catch the usage and we go dialect to usage. It's good. No? Okay. So we have all of the thing here on index 0, we have the message, context. Alright. Nice. Okay. So on the object I can touch twice. Yep. Index. I love this. So response dot choices index 0 dot message dot content. Dot content. Good. How are you? How can you write how like that? Because that means how like how? I am an AI. That's good. So we're done. So we have our message ready to be shown. Oh, I love this. Good. I love this. Yeah. Let's have conversation now. Let's have conversation now. We need to refresh. Remember, this is JS. So we need to refresh and come here. Let's say hello. Ish, I need to add enter. Hello there, how can I assist you? How can I assist you today? I want to know about King Solomon. I need to activate enter, otherwise I will not like it. And I need to put that sign that is writing, kind of, because if you, it's taking longer. Ooh. If you chat with someone like this, you're lighting the whole book. I need to capture this. Who? King Solomon was the son of King David and the wow, that's good. Thank you. Let's see how we'll say on thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome is fast. So if something is about thinking, it takes time, but if it's like pompo pompo, it takes no time. Guys, this user interface, I had nothing. What I'm doing is to make sure that I connected the two with you and we make it good. Now let's say, okay, what is the difference between blue and green? Obvious questions. Okay. It's taking, when it's about mind, it's taking time. And that time you need to bear with it. Blue and green are two different colors. How? Blue is a primary color that is typically associated with the sky or water. I love this. If somebody could ask me this question, how could I answer? What the difference between red and black? Man, red is red and black is black. You don't understand that? This is interesting. Creating by mixture of yellow and blue. Now you understand. Green is a secondary color created by mixing yellow and blue and is associated with nature, vegetation, and growth. In terms of light, blue has shorter. Alright. So now the remaining part is to add some of animation to show that it's typing, which is going to be cool. Let me do that in the next coming video. But don't forget to like, share, and comment. Tell other people to tell other people to tell other people. They can build something like this. If you put more things into this system, it will become amazing and beautiful. And you can even sell it. This is a product. This is a complete product. I'm telling you. You can build this as a complete product and sell it. Because it does all the things that it should be doing. Let me say, Jen, let's bootstrap homepage. Bootstrap homepage for what is that? Homepage for a orphanage the AI company which to train models. Let's see how this will be responded. Now that's why I'm saying, going forward, we're going to make this chart so cool that we imagine if we can ask it to create an image and it can like poof. It should do that. Because we know how to generate image. So we can use that knowledge here. Yep. What do you think? Do you think it's a good idea? Leave the comment so that we can think about making it super cool. But the next part is to add the animation of writing, which is going to be happening the next. Thank you very much as it's generating the Bootstrap homepage. Thank you very much for your time. Remember, share, comment, and subscribe, and tell other people to tell other people to tell other people they should come together to watch this, because this is different. You become part of the AI. You become part of solution making. You redesign the way you want it. Look at this. It's designed the way we want, not the way it was supposed to be done. And who knows the way it was supposed to be done than you? You know better. So let's do this. Let's do that. Apart from that, I appreciate your time for watching this video. Until next time, bye.